The oceans cover more than 70% of our planet, yet most of it remains a complete mystery. Hidden in these vast, unexplored depths are some of the rarest and most incredible water creatures you've probably never even seen before. Let's dive in and explore some of these hidden gems. First up, take a look at this stunning creature, the blue lobster. Its vibrant, electric blue shell is not a trick of the light. This unique coloration is due to a rare genetic mutation, making it a 1 in 2 million find. Every time a fisherman pulls one up, it makes headlines. It's a true, living jewel of the ocean, a spectacular sight that reminds us of the beautiful surprises nature has in store. Now, let's journey to the coastal waters of Australia to meet the Leafy Sea Dragon. Is it a piece of floating seaweed? Look closer. This master of disguise is actually a fish, a relative of the seahorse. Its body is adorned with intricate, leaf-like appendages that provide the perfect camouflage among the kelp and seaweed beds it calls home. This adaptation is so effective that predators and even keen-eyed divers often swim right past without ever noticing it's there. The Leafy Sea Dragon drifts with such grace, it's like watching a piece of underwater poetry in motion. Next, we venture into the realm of living history with the coelacanth. This fish is nothing short of a miracle. For decades, scientists believe the coelacanth went extinct alongside the dinosaurs about 66 million years ago. Imagine their astonishment when, in 1938, a live one was discovered off the coast of South Africa. This living fossil has barely changed over millions of years, offering us a precious, living window into the prehistoric past. Its unique, lobed fins move in a way that resembles a land animal walking, a mesmerizing glimpse into the evolutionary journey from sea to land. Now, prepare for a burst of speed and color. Don't blink, or you might miss the Mantis Shrimp. Though small, this crustacean packs one of the most powerful and fastest punches in the entire animal kingdom. Its specialized clubs can strike with the force of a bullet, shattering crab shells and even aquarium glass, but it's not just about power. Mantis shrimp also possess some of the most complex eyes in nature, able to see a spectrum of colors that we can only dream of. With thousands of species, many so rare they are still being discovered, these tiny warriors are a constant source of wonder for marine biologists. Finally, we descend into the pitch-black abyss, into the midnight zone of the ocean. Here, we find the vampire squid. Its name might sound terrifying, but this creature is far from a bloodsucker. Its name comes from its dark, webbed arms that it can pull over itself like a cloak. In the crushing pressure and near-zero oxygen of the deep, the vampire squid survives by being a master of defense and conservation. It uses bioluminescence, the ability to create its own light, to confuse predators and navigate the darkness. It's a silent, ghostly drifter in one of Earth's most extreme environments, a true testament to the resilience of life. From the glowing blue lobster in shallow waters to the ancient coelacanth and the mysterious dwellers of the deep, our oceans are teeming with wonders that constantly challenge our imagination. These rare and beautiful creatures are a powerful reminder of how much is still left to be discovered beneath the waves. They highlight the incredible diversity of life on our planet and the importance of protecting these fragile ecosystems. If you're as fascinated by these hidden treasures as we are and want to explore more of the ocean's greatest mysteries, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Join us as we continue to dive deep into the unknown and uncover the secrets of our watery world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.